circulation, transaction, transaction menu. Transaction menu option enables you to do all the transactions like issue, return, reserve, renewal, issue on premises, return on premises, lost, missing status, damage status, withdraw status, reminder to the user, and overdue slip you can generate. And also you can generate print issue slip as well as print return slip and also print payment receipt. Issue items. Feed the accession number of the item, that is book, etc. in the box manually or scan the barcode of the document or feed the number manually and press enter or tab. Details of the item will appear in the box below. If you want to print issue slip, tick the box against print issue slip appearing at the right corner bottom side of the screen. Select the title to be issued. Assign the accession number of the item and the member's ID or code to whom the item is to be issued. Select the title to be issued and click on the issue button. The document option shown on the screen will issue the item to the specified member. If there are a number of items to be issued than members' privileges, then you will be prompted to remove one or more items. Individual items can be removed by pressing remove item button. If you want to clear entire list, then press remove all items button. If you have chosen items with more than one status, that is available, issued, reserved, etc., then in that case only available books will be issued to the member. In case if you want to see the status of the issued item, that is to whom it has been issued, the borrowing member tab will display the borrower details here. Similarly, if any book is reserved, one can see the status details by clicking Reservation Details tab. If you want to see the members' details, the Below Privilege Details tab will display all the books issued to that member, the privilege details and all the books reserved by that member if any. Return items. The same window is used to get the items returned. First, scan or feed all the items which needs to be returned. On scanning or feeding accession number, brief details of the title will appear in the box below. If you want to print return slip, tick the print return slip appearing at the right corner bottom side of the screen. After confirmation of the title, click on return or press enter. The items will be returned. If you have ticked the box against print return slip, command will be sent to the default printer automatically. Item status will be changed to available if it is not reserved. If the item is reserved, then its status will be changed to on hold. If the book is being returned after the due date, you will be prompted for taking over due charges. If you click yes on that message, a new window will appear. After confirming the fine amount and pressing save button, you will have two options. You can either print the fine slip, In case the fine is to be paid somewhere else later on, then press Pay Later button, and if the fine is to be paid at the circulation counter itself, press Pay Now button. Screen will appear. This will enable you to collect the overdue charges of fine and print the receipt. Please note that you can collect an amount equal to or less than fine amount, and the rest of the fine can be settled later using overdue transaction. After pressing Save button, you will be able to print the receipt. Renew items. This is a comprehensive option. Any member is normally allowed to renew the items at least once if the borrowed titles are not reserved or claimed by other users. Scan and feed the accession number of the title to be renewed and press Enter. Data of the user or member will automatically appear along. Click Renew to renew the item for a further stipulated period, which will be calculated automatically depending upon category of a member. Reserve item. To reserve an item which has been issued to any other borrower or member, click on the Reserve button. The same item will be reserved for you only if all the copies of the same title are issued to other members, and the member is allowed to reserve books as per his or her privileges. Besides issue, return, renew and reservation transactions, one can perform in-house maintenance transactions like lost, missing, damage, withdraw. For that, select the item and press corresponding button to change the status of that item. Further, the process of above maintenance transactions can be carried out in maintenance menu as well. Issue on premises. On premises issue is a special transaction to provide a facility to issue any items to be used within the library premises or for the reading room purpose, photocopying or overnight issue. To perform this operation, select the item and enter member ID or code. And press Issue on premises button. You will be prompted with the screen. If you choose overnight issue option, only the due date will be displayed. In case of on premises issue, you will be prompted to enter the time along with the due date to return the item. Choose your desired option and click on Save button. The selected item will be issued for on-premises use. Return on premises. To return any item which has been issued either on premises or overnight, just enter the accession number and press Return button. On premises, the item will be returned. If that item is overdue, you will be prompted with a fine calculation window. Reminder. If you want to generate reminder or recall notice for any issued item, select the item and press on Reminder button. The text of reminder letter can be changed using administration system settings letter layout. A letter will be generated which can be printed or emailed to the borrower of that item. If you want to send SMS, then you need to click on Send SMS button, provided that the SMS server must be running and it should be enabled in administration module.